Good afternoon, educators. My name is Zarek Lake, and I will be your presenter for this afternoon. If you are looking to integrate technology in your curriculum, you are in the right place. This integration technology tutorial will explain how instructional technology supports student success. It will describe examples of successful technology integration. It will also outline strategies for integrating technology into instruction across several different content areas. There will be additional resources for instructional staff to explore related to technology integration. We will end with some frequently asked questions by teachers. Are you ready? Let's get started. Instructional technology is used for digital tools, resources, and applications to enhance teaching and learning. When used effectively, instructional technology can support student success in many ways. Educators cannot prepare the current generation to be successful by using old and antiquated methods of teaching and learning from the 90s. Technology advancements provide different ways to deliver curricula to better meet the needs of all students. Instructional technology can make learning more engaging and interactive. Digital tools such as gamification, simulations, and multimedia resources can capture students' attention and increase their motivation to learn. Now let's look at supporting student success. Personalized learning allows teachers to create personalized learning experiences for each student. To enhance personalized learning, an adaptive learning system can assess a student's learning style and adapt the instruction to meet their academic needs. Blended learning allows students to view videos and other content at home. When students are in class, they explore the information shared in the classroom. Students are able to collaborate through video conferencing tools, messaging apps, online discussion forums such as Google Classroom and Schoology, which are great learning management systems to support integration of technology, educational technology. Ultimately, collaboration promotes and fosters teamwork amongst students in the classroom. Students now have access to information and a wealth of information, online databases, ebooks, and a plethora of educational websites to complete assignments. Students and teachers now have access to real-time feedback on digital assessment tools, such as quizzes and surveys. This gives teachers the ability to monitor students' progress even better in the midst of a lesson. Teachers are now able to give meaningful feedback as well. Finally, students have more flexibility when it comes to how they learn best. Online platforms and video lectures can allow students to learn at their own pace and their own time. Now let's take a look at successful technology integration. Now let's take a look at successful technology integration. If done with fidelity, blended learning can help teachers successfully integrate technology into the curriculum. Blended learning is the combination of working online and face-to-face with the support of educational technology. One of the biggest benefits of Google Classroom and other learning management systems is that of collaboration. In an ELA classroom, students are allowed to read, write, and edit comments on various documents and writing simultaneously with other writers. They can share various types of documents with the teacher with real-time feedback. Furthermore, students can work on assignments anywhere at any time. Now let's take a look at Nearpod and math. Nearpod gives real-time insights into student understanding through interactive lessons. It also has polls and interactive videos and gamification. The great thing about Nearpod is that it is a one-stop shop for all things educational technology integration. In math, students are able to write out problems on their digital whiteboards where the teacher is able to assess for immediate feedback. Based on students' needs, the teacher can choose to have the interactive lessons teacher-based or self-paced. Newsletter is a great platform to select relevant content for all content areas. It supports state standards and real-time instruction decision-making that promotes student academic success. In light of social studies, students are able to explore various historical and current documents. Social studies teachers are now able to discuss current topics to help students understand the culture and the climate of the United States of America. Now let's take a look at strategies for integrating educational technology. Here are a few strategies to help integrate technology into instruction. Make sure you have a learning target. This is important in any lesson, and it is more importantly when you're dealing with technology and it sometimes may be unpredictable. Number 2, make sure you choose the correct technology tool. It is important to choose the right tools to help students achieve their learning targets. Remember, the learning target is paramount to the technology being used. Number 3, plan your lesson as usual. Make sure you plan for the students you have in front of you. Make sure the technology and activities align to the learning target and ultimately enhance the learning experience for optimal learning for all students. Number 4, get training and support from your administrators. Number 5, implement the technology. And number 6, evaluate. Now let's take a look at some resources that will help educators with implementing and integrating educational technology. McCall Conference 2024. McCall stands for Michigan Association for Computer Users in Learning. This is a conference that takes place in Michigan every year. It is either in Detroit or Grand Rapids. It is a great conference to see the various educational technology platforms in action. Another resource is edsurge.com. It is an information and news website that provides analysis and research on the latest technology advances. There are a plethora of resources, articles, podcasts, webinars, and research reports. This site is designed to help teachers and administrators keep up with the swift changes in educational technology. And the next resource is study.com. It is a great resource for teachers who need a place to start with educational technologies. Students will be engaged with small animated videos of various lessons from every content. Teachers are able to create custom courses to ensure all students' academic needs are met. And finally, we will end with our frequently asked questions. We have several frequently asked questions. I have added some questions that you may have. Please make sure to look over those at your convenience. I have also added 10 great innovations in technology for you to explore as well. Well, that concludes the tutorial for today, integrating technology in the classroom. Hope it was beneficial. And please replay this video again to go back and look at some of those ideas and strategies and resources that may help you in integrating technology in your classroom. My name is Zarek Lake. I've been your facilitator. Have a great afternoon.